My name is Summer Gray. Earlier this year, a friend of mine needed help with a house guest who was refusing to leave after 4 years. So we had done termination of tenancy and I'd helped out with that, but the guest was still refusing to leave. And so I wanted to contact a lawyer to have somebody kind of on standby in case we did need to start eviction proceedings. So I went on LegalMatch and wrote up a short description and got a response very quickly. And it was very successful. And happily, the house guest did leave. I think the threat of me showing up from out of town to help kick her out was enough. Partly I wanted to get legal advice because to a certain degree I could look up. I've been active in tenants' rights I live in Seattle, and it was strange for my friend to be in a landlord position, which they'd never wanted to be in, and it was strange for me to be helping the landlord, but when typically I'm on the other side. But like reading the law and that kind of lay understanding of the law only gets you so far. So it was really helpful to talk to a lawyer to kind of make sure we'd done everything right up till that point. And if you have the name of a lawyer who's on your side, it can be very persuasive without actually needing to use the legal representation. It connected me with a local lawyer who would have started eviction proceedings and taken care of the court matters for that if it had been needed. I'm sure I'd heard of it, and just through web searches. I tried some low-income law clinics because both my friend and I are low-income, but there's such great need for people in more dire straits even. So then I thought, okay, well, see if I can find a lawyer that I'll pay for to help out. He was the one who sent me a message, and he's very established in the community. They had a great reputation, an established firm, and was helpful and friendly. He was very responsive, and he understood the situation right away. It made it very easy for me. I didn't have to try to call around places, and I got the one response, and I only needed one response, but I didn't have to call 5 or 10 different lawyers in the area to find one person who might be able to help. I would say it's worth checking out.